I don't fit. Let's go the other way. I forgot the key to get in. We're stuck. Hello everyone. I am back and better than ever. I kind of wanted to speak about why I was gone for so long, just really quickly. So if you care and you're my friend and you're a loyal subscriber, you can stay, and if not, if you're just here for the tour, you can skip on ahead. Basically, I stopped posting back in December during Vlogmas because I was so exhausted. I do work like my full-time job. At the same time, I like to work out every week. I cook like 3 times a day. On top of that, when you vlog, you kind of have to maintain a clean house like at all times, especially like I was trying to weekly vlog, daily vlog. So I have to have everything clean at all times. So I was just juggling too much and I burnt out basically. Like, that's it. I burnt out and I was so exhausted. Also in November, I was dealing with major allergies. I didn't know it was allergies until I tried allergy pills and I realized it was allergies. And then during that time, I also couldn't sleep. Like, I did not sleep all of November. So that just set me up for failure in December. And I just used the rest of December and January to really just rest my mind, rest my body. And I've been posting on TikTok and I've been working out again since February. So I kind of have my routine back to normal. However, I am taking it slower this time. So I'm not going to be posting weekly. I'm going to be posting as I feel inspired. Maybe once a month is my goal because I don't want to reach that point of exhaustion again. It was just terrible. It just feels bad, but that's basically where I've been. So yeah, we are about to move. If you are a loyal subscriber, you would know that we were trying to move to Arizona for a while and we are finally doing it. So exactly 30 days from today's date, we are going to be moving and I'm going to be starting to pack now. So I wanted to do a quick little apartment tour since the last apartment tour was literally when we walked in and I was trying to decorate and make it all grand or whatever. I mean, I wasn't trying, I did it, but it's not as how I would have loved it to be, but it's okay because we're moving and I'll do it again on the next one. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys around what our apartment looks like, what you can get in Los Angeles, and all of that good stuff. Also for our memories, this was David and I's first apartment here, so first apartment together in general. So yeah, let's get on with the tour. And welcome to my crib. Alright guys, this is our cute little apartment. We've been here for 1.5 years, almost 2. It was David and I's first place, and to be honest, we don't really like it. We got a really good COVID special, so that was kind of the reason we went with this place. Anyways, so starting here, you enter and there's this little dark little tunnel hall. We just have all of our stuff that we put on here, like our grocery bags, Wally's walking stuff, my gym bag, masks, my purse, my tripod, and all that good stuff. And then our shoes are also kept in this area, kind of, not really. I originally wanted to buy like a shoe thing right here, but I just stopped buying stuff in this apartment because I knew we were gonna leave. So we're gonna start off to the right into the bedroom. Our bathroom's actually connected to our bedroom, so this way to the bathroom. This is our ugly ass restroom.
She's not lying.
I hate our restroom. Like, it just needs a major upgrade.
Yeah.
Like, the line, this is like real granite and we're grateful for that, but just like there's like white. The water is so hard here in LA.
Real ugly granite.
It's real ugly. And we won't even show you the bathtub because it's just embarrassing. So let's move out of here.
It's clean, yeah, everything's cheap.
Okay, we step into our master bedroom. This is like my favorite part about our apartment is that it's really huge. However, the lighting in here sucks this way. So let's have David come over here. So part of the reason that I hate this apartment is that the lighting is good. It's super bright in here, but only it's just not hitting in the right places, if that makes sense. Right here is where Wally likes to tan. This is one of his tanning areas. He gets his vitamin D. And then right here is where I keep my rack for my videos. I usually put things that I feel inspired to style or anything new on this rack or anything I've been wearing very often. This is our beautiful, timeless real wood dresser that we got on one of my vlogs. If you guys remember, it's freaking tall. Look at this thing. Nice. And then over here, I just keep all my gym clothes. And then this is my little side table. I keep my perfumes and just a picture of David and I because we're in love. So this is our beautiful queen bed. I love this bed. I hate this IKEA comforter already. We need a new one. This just looks beaten up and old. And this is Wally's bed. We actually made his own like platform bed because he likes to be elevated with us. We have one of our gym mats on top of a side table, and then he just climbs up here and sleeps on his bed, his little platform bed. And then this is David's closet. I won't open it because it's a mess.
No, it's not.
It's not a mess.
I mean,
But it's David's closet. Over here, we have my closet. And for wanting to be in the fashion niche, I don't have a lot of clothes, but this is literally all my clothes, all of it. You see it here?
You can turn on the yellow light.
Okay, we're gonna turn on the yellow light, and this is my closet. That's it. There's nothing major. On the other side of this closet is more storage, towels, linens, stuff like that. I just use this half of the closet. My collection is growing. All right, guys, and now we're gonna head into the living area where David and I work all day because we are lucky enough to work from home. And coming in, we got our little, what is this called? Countertop, where we don't eat, but we bought stools anyway. We literally never eat here. How many times have we ate here? Like twice?
Yeah, I mean, there's barely any space,
but still,
small.
we don't have, so coming in here, as you can see, we don't have a dining table at all. This is where we're storing our boxes for moving. It's not cute. Wally has one of his beds here because the sun hits here in the morning, so he likes to hang here. This is my workstation for the past year, and it's not it, you guys. Look at this. And that's it. There's nothing special about our view, but it's nice. During New Year's, you can see the fireworks from Universal Studios, but nothing special. And this is our ugly kitchen. I hope that our next kitchen is... we sound so ungrateful in this video. We just don't like our apartment because it's not pretty. It's just coming out wrong. We're not happy with our kitchen. We know it could be worse though, so I'm still happy. We have white appliances, which I don't like at all. We know the next place has stainless steel, which is wonderful. Electric stove, I hate it. This is literally it. It's really small, it's white, that's it. And over here is our living room, which is where we spend the majority of our time. This is our somewhat new couch. If you guys seen my vlogs from fall, I especially love our coffee table. She's beautiful. She is real marble and real motherfucking heavy, but she's cute. I love it. Here's our new TV that I don't think we shown on the vlogs. You can see all the cords and stuff. It is what it is. Over here, this area used to be empty besides Christmas, but David decided to move his workstation to this side. So he has this clutter here. I'm sorry. And then over here is more clutter. I just have my yoga mats, my foam roller that I use every day, and our attempt to style this, which I think it came out pretty nice. This was the final thing that we came out with for the shelves. I think it's really cute. And then Wally, you can see him down here. He likes to hang out here when the sun moves to this side. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, and the worst part is that we have no privacy here. We literally see our neighbors back to back. But yeah, guys, this is basically our apartment. This is the best lighting this way, right?
Yeah.
So this is why I didn't like this place. The lighting is good from this way to this way for shooting purposes, but when I would make a TikTok or like a fashion video, this would be my background, or David's closet mirror doors would be my background, and so you would be able to see the camera and the tripod. So like no matter how I set it up, I couldn't use natural lighting, which is obviously the best kind of lighting. I couldn't use natural lighting to create content, and that was like one of the things that really sucked about being here, but it is bright in here, so that's wonderful. But so this is our cute little apartment in Burbank, California. It is a relatively nice area, walkable, very safe. When we moved in here, we had like a COVID special. It was literally peak time COVID, and I think our rent was like $1,800, a little bit above $1,800 for a 1-bedroom. And now it is $2,300 for 750 square feet. The amenities here are wonderful. They have a pool that we've never used. But the gym we use every week, we have ever since they opened them up. It's wonderful. It's fully equipped gym, Smith machine, leg press. Like, it has everything you want. That's been wonderful. It's also pretty much empty for the most part. So that's been wonderful. But other than that, like the price increase from COVID special that ended, it's just not worth it. We need to move. We're moving to Arizona where it's gonna be a lot more affordable. We are losing 98 square feet though, and it's gonna save us $1,000 a month. So thank you guys so much for watching my little apartment tour. Next coming up is probably gonna be packing and moving. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.
Babe, we can count all the stars in the sky as they pass by your face. Take a trip up to Mars, hold you tight in my arms all the way. First time out of space.